Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 26, remove duplicates from sorted array. Let's try to understand what is given in the question. So we are given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order and size of array is n. We are asked to remove duplicates in place. In place means we should modify nums array directly and should not make use of any other array. So we are asked to remove duplicates in place such that each unique numbers appears only once. And then we should return k. K represents number of unique elements in nums. Additionally, we are asked to change nums array in such a way that the first k elements contains the unique elements. The order of elements in nums should not change. Anything after index k are irrelevant and can be left as is. Let's try to understand logic of program. So we will make use of variable k to store the position of next unique number. So we will set k as 1 as the first unique number is already at position 0. Say for example, if we have an array with 3 elements 1, 1, 2. So 0th position number is already unique and next unique number should come at position 1. So that's where we'll always start with k equals to 1. We will go through each element of the array one by one, and for each element we'll compare current element and the previous element. If current and previous elements are different, it means number is unique, and if number is unique we will store it at position k and increase k by 1 so that k again points to the position of the next unique number. If current and previous numbers are same, then we will not do anything. We will move on to compare the next element. We will keep doing these steps till we reach end of the array. At the end, the first k elements in the array will be unique values and we can ignore rest of the array, and finally we return k. Now let's try to understand logic of program with the help of example. We will also perform dry run of the program. So we are given nums array and size of array is 10. So n is 10. We will start with k equals to 1. Then we will go into for loop for I equals to 1. So we will set I equals to 1. Check the condition I is less than n. That is true. I is 1 and n is 10. This condition is true. It will enter into loop and check the if condition if nums I not equal to nums I minus 1. So I is 1, so nums I is 0. 0 and I minus 1 means previous element. 0 and previous element is also 0. So not equal to, this condition is false as both the numbers are equal. So we will move on to next element. Move on to next element, it means we'll go to I plus plus. So increase I by 1. I is less than n. So I is 2. 2 is less than 10. Condition true. Again, we will check if condition nums I and nums I minus 1. I is 2. So nums I is 1. So compare 1 with the previous element, that is 0. Not equal because both are different. This condition is true. So these two steps will be executed. Nums k equals to nums I. Nums2, number at nums2 will be stored at nums1 position because value of k is 1. Now we increase k by 1 so that k holds the position of our next unique number. Again move on, increase I by 1. So new value of I will be 3. Again, we will check condition I is less than n. 3 is less than 10. Condition is true. It will again check if condition nums I not equal to nums I minus 1. I is 3. So number at third position is 1 and the previous is 1. This condition false because numbers are same. Again move on to next number, that is increase I by 1. New value of I is 4. Again if condition will be checked. So nums 4 is 1 and the previous is 1. This condition is again false because both are same. We'll move on to next element. It means increase I by 1. So new value of I will be 5. 5, I less than n. 5 is less than 10. Condition true. Again if condition will be checked, nums I and I minus 1. I is 5. Number at fifth position is true. Number at fifth position is 2 and the previous number is 1. Not equal. This condition is true. It means these two steps will be executed. Nums k equals to nums I. Number at ith position will be stored at kth position. I is 5. It means number at fifth position will be stored at k equals to 2 at second position. So second position this number will be stored and will increase k by 1. So new value of k is 3. It means the next unique number should come at third position. Moving on, again I will be increased. So new value of I is 6. I is still less than n. Again if condition will be executed, nums I and I minus 1. I is 6, so we'll compare 6th position and the previous element 2 and 2. Condition is false as both the numbers are same. Move on to next element. Again increase I by 1. So new value of I is 7. 7 is again less than 10. I less than n. This condition false. Again if condition will be executed. So nums I and I minus 1. I is 7. 7 is seventh position number is 3. So comparison between 3 and the previous element 2. Not equal. This condition is true. Again, these two steps will be executed. So number at ith position will be stored at kth position. I is 7, so number at seventh position will be stored at third position because k is 3. So here instead of 1, new number will be 3. Increase k by 1. So new value of k will be 4. Move on, will increase I. New value of I will be 8. I is still less than n. Again, we will check if condition. Number at ith position, that is 8th position. So number at 8th position is 3. 3 and the previous element is also 3. So this condition is false. We'll move on. So new value of I will be 9. 9 is less than n. Condition true because 9 is less than 10. Again, this if condition will be executed. So number at ninth position and the previous element. So ninth element position number is 4 and previous is 3. Not equal to. This condition is true. Again, these two steps will be executed. Nums I will be stored at nums k. So number at ninth position should be stored at fourth position. So this 4 will be stored here. Will increase k by 1. New value of k is 5. Moving on, increase I by 1. So new value of I is 10. Again, I is less than n. Condition false. We will come out of loop and then return k. So see, value of k is 5. It means we have 5 unique elements in the array. So you see 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 5 unique elements in the array. Space complexity of this program is O1 and time complexity of this program is ON. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and happy coding.